Friday's morning work. Our first problem is a subtraction problem. 4 minus 2 3/9. We're going to set this up vertically. 4 minus 2 3/9. We need to have the top one have a fraction with it, which is 0/9. We can't do 0 minus 3, so we have to go and borrow from the 4. And that becomes a 3. And then we cross out the 0, and that becomes a 9. So go ahead and do 9 minus 3. Put that answer over your denominator of 9, and then 3 minus 2. The next one, we need to write this number using an exponent. We know our base is going to be 10, and then our exponent is going to be the amount of zeros that are. Evaluate. We have 3/4 and 3/6. We need to compare them, but we have two different denominators. We need to find a common one. We have 4 and 6, so let's go through our facts. 4, 8, 12, 16. Now let's go through our 6 facts. 6, 12. Oh, I already see one that's on the top and bottom is 12. Our common denominator is 12 in this problem. So 3/4 equals how many 12s? We need to figure that out. 4 times 3 equals 12. So what we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now let's write 3/6 with 12 as our new denominator. 6 times 2 equals 12. 3 times 2 equals 6. Your job right now is to compare 9/12 and 6/12. Which one is larger? Finding the volume. If the area is 44 and the height is 5, we multiply these two numbers together to find our volume. So go ahead and solve for that. And then finally, we're converting. So 2/3 of a yard equals how many feet? We know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So for this problem, you're going to do 2/3 times 3/1. 4 pounds equals how many ounces? For this, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so you have to do 4 times 16 to get that answer. 8 tons equals how many pounds? Well, you're going to take your 8 and you're going to multiply times 2,000, because there's 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. 3/4 of a gallon equals how many quarts? So you're going to do 3/4 of a gallon times 4, because there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. 5/12 of a year equals how many months? You're going to take your 5/12, or 12 months in a year. You're going to multiply it times 12. And then the last one, 4/5 of an hour. 4/5 times 60, because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So go ahead and solve for those ones.